When you start the game, you're required to either sign up or sign into the game. You can sign up for the game by using a username and password. When a new user signs up, we create a new user on Textile, and the hash for the public ID of the user is stored as the metadata for the NFT that we made as user account. This public ID now gives the token ID for the NFT that the user holds, and this can later be used to verify the player as well as to transfer profile and hold player records. Moreover, players also given a certain amount of game coins that are ERC20 tokens that he can later use to stake in the game. Once the user signs in, they have the option to start playing the game, check their profile, or check the store. In future, store would contain accessories as well as other players' profile that the player could buy. When you click on play game, you have two options, either to create a room or to join a room. Once a user creates a room, our contract calls chainlink VRF to receive a random number that then seeds our own random number generator, which would then shuffle the player roles and distribute it among the players. The random number is mapped to the room ID and the entire process is verifiable. In the game, we have three roles: Doctor, Mafia, or Villager. To win the game, Mafias need to kill all the villagers and doctors can save a particular villager they vote on. After every round, there is a voting phase, wherein everyone votes for the person they suspect as Mafia. Whoever gets the majority vote is removed from the game, and as such, the game continues. There are two game types, casual and competitive. In casual, you don't really stake anything and you can play for fun. But in competitive, you stake crypto mafia coins, and then whichever party wins the game gets the staked amount disbursed as allowance instead of transfer for more ad time and gas efficiency. In a game of so much secrecy, we wanted to really secure all the information from the users we didn't want it to show to, and still keep the entire process verifiable at the end of the game. For this, we came up with the idea of encrypting a secret AES key with a public key of the player and broadcasting it over all the players. We will then encrypt the role with that AES key and broadcast it, so the player whose recipient can get the role immediately, and at the end of the game player can disclose the AES key and everyone can verify the role. We have in-game chat, also powered by Textile Hub, and all of our contracts are deployed on Matix Layer 2 testnet. For a game, low latency as well as low gas costs are really important. That's what Matic provides us.